Okay, now we're going to draw a plant cell. Okay, we must start with, of course, plasma membrane. Okay, and then cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose fiber, and it's a strong and rigid structure, outer layer. That is why this cell wall is the function is to maintain the shape of plant cells and to provide mechanical support to the plant cell. Okay, because of that made of cellulose fiber and strong and rigid outer layer. If there's any question ask you why is the function is like that, why the cell wall is to provide a mechanical support, because it made up of cellulose fiber, and also it has a strong and rigid outer layer. Okay, and this cell wall is fully permeable. What is fully permeable? Fully permeable meaning that it gives the permissions of any substance to in and out. Tidak berlainan dengan plasma membrane. Plasma membrane dia adalah partially permeable. Partially permeable means tadi kita sudah bincang, dia hanya membenarkan sesetengah bahan sahaja yang lalu. Only allow certain substance. Tapi kalau cell wall, it doesn't matter what any substance can pass through it. Okay, and then next we draw like whatever that has in animal cell, we draw it here. It's like it has a, of course, nucleus, nuclear membrane, and then this one is, what is it if you still remember? This is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum is folded and flattened sac. So in this endoplasmic reticulum, it has ribosomes attached to it. Okay, so itu dia rough, kasar. Dia ada bintik-bintik nih, dot-dot macam ni. So this ribosome function as site of protein synthesis, tapak penghasilan protein. So this one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum is to transport the protein. And then the SER, smooth, dia tidak apa-apa attached, so it's smooth, licin. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is for the site of lipid and glycerol synthesis of, let me rephrase. Lipid and glycerol is synthesized at smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and then it has what else we have here. Okay, we have a mitochondrion. Mitochondrion, ingat dia ada dua layer, satu layer macam rod shape, satu lagi folded macam ni. Okay, we use another color lah, so make it attractive. Let's say orange. So this is a mitochondria. What is mitochondria? It's a site to generate energy. And then we have Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, let's draw it red. Okay, Golgi apparatus, it has also folded sac, and then we have vesicle. Vesicle at this size. Apa fungsi vesicle? Dia ada fungsi sebenarnya. Vesicle is to transport. Okay, transport apa-apa yang terhasil di sini, whatever is produced here, dia akan transport through a vesicle. Vesicle ni macam kereta lah yang angkut. Okay, nanti kita akan tengok ada subtopic. There is a subtopic discussing about this. Okay, so this is Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi. So Golgi apparatus is, dia ada 4 tadi. what is process, and then packaging. Okay, kita susun balik, sorry. Proses, modify dulu. Modify, packaging, and transfer. Dia ni macam JNT lah, macam tu. Dia proses, dia susun, dia package, lepas tu dia hantar. So this is the function of Golgi apparatus. Again, what else do we have here? Yeah, okay, centriole, we don't have centriole in plant cell, but we have lysosome. Okay, lysosome tadi dia bulat-bulat sikit. Bulat. Ingat, lysosome dia ada hydrolytic enzyme. Is to lysosome. Okay, lysosome dia adalah untuk musnahkan damaged cell. Okay, to digest the damaged cell. Mana yang rosak tu dia akan singkirkan, to expel. Okay, next. Okay, here what is only having plant cell. The first one is vacuole. Okay, vacuole. Vacuole contain, this is a vacuole, and in the vacuole we have a liquid. Liquid, we call it as cell sap. And this cell sap, we have water, amino acid, what else? A nutrient. Okay, carbon dioxide, oxygen, things like that. You can refer it in the textbook. And then here in plant cell, only in plant cell we have the, what is it? Okay, it's in the sac ni kantung ah. Okay, sorry, sac ni kantung. So this is a chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll ni dia maksudnya dia, it contains a, sorry, not chlorophyll, my bad, this is chloroplast. In the chloroplast we have chlorophyll, macam tu. Okay, so this chloroplast, its function to absorb the sunlight and then change it into a chemical energy during the photosynthesis. Okay, so these are the components that we have in a plant cell. So what can we compare during the, not during, what we can compare with the animal and plant cell? As you can see, vacuole and chloroplast are the two components that only can be found in a plant cell. Okay, let me check first, is there anything that I left? Okay, there's one more, cytoplasm. In the textbook you can see the cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the medium here. What is the structure? It's a jelly-like medium. Jelly-like medium. Maksudnya kalau just to give you the idea what is the cytoplasm, just imagine that if we are in a room. Okay, in a room, we have a room here. Room, okay, dinding ni adalah cell wall, and then the space, ruang dalam bilik tu, that is a cytoplasm. Okay, begitulah juga dengan cell. Same goes with the plant cell. So the space between the components here, we call it as cytoplasm. This cytoplasm, the structure is a jelly-like structure, and then the function is, what is the function of cytoplasm? Is a medium. Medium ni maksudnya ruang untuk biochemical reaction, where anything happen lah. Contohnya macam photosynthesis ke, and respiration ke, itu fungsi untuk cytoplasm. Okay, now the last one for 2.1. Let's compare and contrast the components of animal cells and plant cells. Okay, the similarities is both cells are made of nucleus, cytoplasm, plasma membrane, Golgi apparatus, mitochondrion, endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosome. That is the similarities. And then next, the differences is in the plant cell it has a fixed shape. Okay, fixed shape because of it has a cell wall. Okay, while for animal cells it does not have a fixed shape because it doesn't have a cell wall. Okay, and the third one, plant cell has chloroplast, while animal cell doesn't have chloroplast. Plant cell has a large vacuoles. Animal cell no vacuole, and if there is a vacuole, it will in the form of small vacuole. Okay, and the fifth one is stores carbohydrate in the form of starch. Okay, dia simpan karbohidrat dalam bentuk starch, kanji. While animal cell will store carbohydrate in the form of glycogen. Okay, last but not least is plant cell does not have a centriole. Okay, centriole, while animal cell has centriole. Okay, so these are the differences. So that's all for today, 2.1. Next, I hope you're gonna answer question informative practice and send it through Google Classroom. Thank you very much.